not to buy at the nursery. Kind of plant like this is spinach. It's going to seed already. It's too late. Don't buy this. This is not going to be worth your money. Beet, you can get so many more beets if you just start with seed directly in the soil. They're pretty hard to transplant anyway. This is one I wouldn't buy when it's already starting to produce fruit. It's a little too late to transplant. Not buy a Swiss chard like this. It's too mature. It looks like it's dried out a lot. It's just past its prime. You'd do better to buy a smaller plant rather than one that's been uppotted. It is, we're gonna check the roots at the bottom. This lettuce, you could get a couple of harvests off of this, but I don't think it's worth it to buy just one lettuce plant at a whole package of seed for the same price. I wouldn't buy a carrot that's potted. You're gonna have so much more success planting seeds directly in the ground. Very hard to transplant carrots. A plant like this, you can tell is stressed. It's gotten too warm and there's too many plants in this one pot. This isn't gonna transplant well. When you can see a plant like this, cilantro is already going to seed. It's too late. It's going to go to seed almost immediately in your garden. Basil, this is already flowering and going to seed, so it's going to be too late. You're going to lose a lot of the really leafy growth that you're wanting from your basil. Don't buy that. That's sad.